Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Bluetooth on off button missing from settings in Windows 11. So if we right click over the start button, go to settings and then just click on this Bluetooth and devices, then you can see that the Bluetooth on off button is missing. You can clearly see that it is not showing here also. So now there are three methods to fix this issue. Method number one is just right click over the start button and then just click on device manager. Now just click on any of these devices. Now just go to the top menu and click on action menu and then just click on this option, scan for hardware changes. So what this will do, it will scan the system for the missing Bluetooth device and it will install it. So this was method number one. If method number one didn't work for you, then just try out method number two. Again go to the action menu and this time click on the option add legacy hardware. Click on the next button. Now choose this second option, install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and then just click on the next button. Now scroll down and then just click on sound, video and game controllers and then just click on next button. Now scroll down and click on Microsoft under manufacturer. Now just go to the right hand side and scroll down and then just click on Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. So it should be Bluetooth A2DP written in the driver name. After selecting this Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source, just click on the next button. Click on the next button. Click on finish button. And now you can see that the Bluetooth device is now showing. And now if you go to the settings, so you can see that the Bluetooth on off button is now showing. So this was method number two. If method number two didn't work for you, then just try out method number three. Now for the method number three, you will require your laptop or system model name. And the laptop model name is generally written at the back of your laptop. It is printed on a sticker. So just note it down somewhere, and in my case the model name is Lenovo 81WB IdeaPad 3 15IML05. So once you have your laptop or system model name, then what you have to do is just open the browser and in the search bar first type the manufacturer name of your laptop. So in my case it is Lenovo, and after this just type support. Now suppose your laptop manufacturer is Dell, then you have to type Dell support. After this just hit enter. Now just click on the first link, the support link of your manufacturer. Now go down and then just click on this view PC support. Go down, click on browse product, click on laptop, and now you have to select the series of your laptop. So in my case the laptop series is IdeaPad 3. So just select the series of your laptop. So I will select this 3 series laptop IdeaPad, and now you have to select the sub series. and the sub-series is 15IML05. So here it is, IdeaPad 3 15IML05 laptop. Now for the operating system, just click on this drop down and select Windows 11. Go down and in the left hand side just click on drivers and software. Now just click on this manual update tab. Go down and just click on Bluetooth and modem. Now just expand this arrow and just click on this download button or the icon. So this will download our Bluetooth driver. So it is downloaded. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now you have to double click on this driver software. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now choose this first option, I accept the agreement, and click on the next button. Click on the next button. Click on install button. So our driver is installed. Just click on the OK button. Click on the finish button. Now just restart your system and your Bluetooth driver will be installed on your system. And after this, your Bluetooth on off button will be visible in the settings. So these were the 3 methods that you can try out to fix the issue of Bluetooth on off button missing from settings in Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.